Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change administrator name on Windows 11 for both Microsoft account and local account. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for a local account, go ahead and find your search bar and type down Control Panel and open up Control Panel. Now, once you're in here, make sure that you're under the category section and then just click on user accounts. All right, so you'll have user accounts right here. Again, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on change your account name. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and name it. All right, just like so. Click on change name. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now for Microsoft accounts, you'll need to go ahead and open up settings. Right click on your start menu and click on settings. Now in the left panel, you have accounts. Wait a bit. Now you'll have to sign in under your Microsoft account right here. All right. I'm not going to do it because I want mine a local account. So just follow these prompts. Go to your info and then manage my accounts right here. Click on it and a browser will pop up that will log you into Microsoft itself. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in. And then once logged in, all you got to do is just find the change account name section, then go ahead and type in your new name and then click on change name. That's how simple it is to change administrator name on Windows. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.